Awesome beer. Cold temperatures. Awesome beer.
He's running.
He's running. He's running. He's picked up his pace.
I see the light.
Negative 5.
Something like flickering over there.
Did anybody fall down? I saw the lights go like downward for a moment.
Yeah. It's like, oh, and he's down.
Oh, it's diffused. Yeah.
Used.
Oh.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, that went right in the woods.
Uh-oh.
Wood's on fire.
41 rescue. 41 rescue.
Running away. He's got a good job going on. Josh, run!
So far we have 30 seconds
Morse
of darkness.
code! He says, I hope I don't fall.
It's awfully windy.
Holy hell, it's cold.
It's like actual fire, right?
That's impressive because he has no real light, but he's running.
Josh, is there supposed to be actual fire over there?
Oh,
Wow.
It's a minute delay, remember.
Has it been a minute yet? No.
Any day now.
well, I have a bad feeling about this.
He's getting in front of me. Behind me.
The wind is blowing this way, which is weird. It's going to blow explosions right at us.
You're in the forest with Heather Locklear, and it's very warm.
Yeah.
Oh! Guys! I didn't even know that. Oh my god, we're being attacked! It's the Cubans! Hey, you ever see Red Dawn? There's no sense.